Hello students, so we'll continue with your grammar class. We were doing adverbs. Okay, so we had done till exercise C. Exercise C, use of quite, enough, fairly, rather. So number 7 and number 8, it was too easy a project for us to do. That means it was more than easy. It is excessively easy project. The number 8, the film was rather boring. Quite boring. Boring is a negative trait. So that's why it was rather boring. Okay, now we'll come to these adjectives. Use of so and such. So and such have same meaning in terms of degree. Okay, but such is a determiner and so is an adverb. Okay, so what is the use? So is used with adjectives and adverbs, and such is used with nouns or phrases. Okay, adjectives or adverbs and nouns or phrases. Okay, for example, number 1 यहाँ पे दे दिया, the story was so interesting that I couldn't stop reading it. Okay, so it is emphasizing that it was very much interesting. Number 3, this is such an amusing incident. So incident is a noun, so we are using such, and interesting is an adjective, so here we are using so. Okay, so let us move to exercise D. Fill in the blank with so or such. I have done only 2, 3. Number 1 is already done. The train was so crowded that I couldn't find a seat. So crowded is an adjective, so here we are using so. Number 2, Ria always wore such elegant clothes. Okay, so it is clothes, elegant clothes. It is describing elegant. The weather was so unpleasant. Okay. Number 6, Linda's performance was such a disappointment. Disappointment is a noun. Okay. Number 8, Garima was so tired. Okay. Then we will move to topic position of adverbs. See, I'll only read the things that are written in box because we have already discussed this. Adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is placed before the verb modifies. Adverb of frequency means later, usually, sometimes. Okay, today, rarely. These are frequency. That means कोई event कितनी बार होता है. That is called as adverb of frequency. It is placed before the verb it modifies. Okay. Then adverbs of time, like now, then, they are placed after the verb or after the object if the sentence has an object. Okay, my grandparents are leaving for Mumbai now. So after the object Mumbai. Okay, or after the verb. He has not given me an answer yet. Okay, so not given me an answer is a verb. Then sometimes adverbs or adverb phrases of time are used at the beginning of sentence, like tomorrow or next week. These things can be used in the beginning of the sentence. Adverbs of place, yani anywhere, everywhere, all these are used after the verbs that they modify. Okay, you can go anywhere, you can anywhere go, that would be absolutely wrong. Okay. Then we have when there are 2 or more adverbs modifying the verb in a sentence, the normal order of that we have already discussed in the slideshow. Also, adverb of manner पहले आएगा, adverb of place, and then number 3 adverb of time. So adverbs are placed after the be verbs. These are the be verbs: I, am, is, was, were. Be verbs, they are placed after. For example, Varun is always. These people are never wrong. Are is के बाद में आया always और never. Okay. And it is a place और had to और इनके भी पहले आता है. Has to के पहले आया frequently. Let us discuss exercise C now. Rewrite these sentences using the adverbs in the bracket in the correct places. I have done a few. Number 1. Beena borrows things from her friends. Beena never borrows. Beena never borrows. Okay, adverb of frequency है ये adverb of frequency है. ठीक है, never is a adverb of frequency. Number 2. Meeta is always, ये भी frequency है, always talking to her cousin. Okay, let us do now number 6. Number 5 also. The author communicates with his fans. I think fans regularly या फिर fans regularly communicates, हाँ regularly communicates adverb. So this is rather wrong. It should be here. It should be placed here. Author यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. The author regularly communicates with his fans. We usually have rains in the month of August. Okay, we have usually rains. No, have के पहले लगेगा adverb. My aunt seldom raises her voice in, seldom यानी कि बहुत कम, rarely. तो my aunt seldom raises her voice in anger. Okay. Probably the plane was probably delayed due to fog. Okay, delayed के पहले आएगा probably. Students, in the next class we'll discuss lesson number 15, prepositions. Okay, so be ready. We will have the next video in continuation only. Thank you, and get ready for the next lesson also.